Ooh, the tea's still hot.
No, it's not hot really, Darren.
Yes, it is. Good morning. I need to splash my face or something. Whew. Pool is still open, but I'm not sure if I feel like going nowadays. But I went a few days. I went like 2 days prior. So mom is in the shower right now. Okay, I'm just being lazy a bit. Whew. Well, it's a sunny day today. I love it. They said a few days ago that actually it was gonna rain, but then it became sunny. Which is awesome. Okay. I'm just sitting around, but I'm not sure if I really feel like doing vlogs today. Oh, I actually found the third color of our folder. It's blue, but I think my mom is using it. Just getting some AC. Alright. That'll be really good. Actually, no. Yeah, that's awesome. What on earth was that now? Is it because I turned on the AC? Not because of that. Oh my god. Oh my god, look at this. Let's just go. I'll show myself with it. Look before it's too late. This is nice. Well, whatever. Some of its batteries are out, actually. And it's like 11:37. And Dad is gonna come at 12 o'clock, maybe 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I don't know. We'll go around 1. Alright, guys. That's all for the vlog. Is the guitar still there? No. Guitar is right there. Bye.